Hello everyone, the Sydney Trains and New South Wales Training Channel speaking to you. I'm here at Carlingford waiting for the arrival of Tangara T71. T71 is running the regular revenue services on the T6 Carlingford line, well was actually, since it's uploaded after it ran, from Wednesday the 2nd of December to Christmas Eve 2015. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to film the Tangara arriving and a bit of the tour, walk through the train, and yeah, so sit back and enjoy. So as you know, this is Carlingford Station. It can only fit 4 cars, as some of you know, so it's a bit smaller than the other platforms around the network. I've done a bit of a tour here before. Up there is Pennant Hills Road, which is like the major road for Carlingford. So yeah, and the Christmas themed Tangara is now arriving into platform number 1. The only platform here at Carlingford. Oh, apologies, the set is T75. With the new M-set doors. So very lucky that I got the M-set style doors on camera. Tangara. This is car N1541. N5135. I apologise. There's the interior of the M-set style doors on T75. Now the reason why Tangaras are currently running the T6 Carlingford line is because of the Sydney Santa Spectacular Children's Christmas event at Rosehill Racecourse. It provides better access for prams getting in and out of the trains. So I'll give you a somewhat brief walkthrough of the train just before it leaves. This is car D6117. So this is the new M-set style doors. Slightly different to the regular M-set style doors. This is the interior. So it's just a regular Tangara with the M-set style doors. Really, it's not that exciting, but it's just good to see the Tangaras running to Carlingford. Again, here's the interior, and I'll go into the next carriage. This is car N5117. Just give you the lower deck. And here's just another look in the saloon area. That's the interior, at the back of the M-set door. It's a little bit different, as usual. There's your standard neck or back rests. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you a bit of a walkthrough of the 2 carriages to show you what it's like. But it's just regular Tangara, honestly. And yeah, I'll give you a bit of a tour on the upper deck as well. It's good to see Tangara running to Clyde. Very good. You wouldn't leave your rubbish here. Please don't leave your rubbish on the train. There is a bin at every station. I don't know where that is. Oh, sorry. Parramatta River. Closest station, Parramatta. Where's this? You wouldn't leave your rubbish here at Bondi Beach. Now come to think of it, actually, I'll go back down. and up again, because there are more advertisements up here. So you wouldn't leave your rubbish at the Royal Botanic Gardens. So I'll just give you a bit of a inside of that picture. And just the doors. Now that plate there is where the Tangara sort of like name, that plaque plate used to be. There's your emergency help point and all that crap. I could say crap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll film the doors closing at a couple of stations. So yeah, the train is about to depart, so I'm going to film the doors closing. Excuse the shake. Jesus, that scared me, that doors closing announcement. Closing at Radomir. It's probably going to be the most crystal clear beeps I've ever heard. It's pretty cool. And here we are at Clyde. This is car D6117, the doors. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.